Welcome to the MLS Moment. Matrix has a new Fair Housing Remarks Check feature that has been added to the listing input module that will allow a voluntary self-check of the public and agent remarks for potential fair housing violation wording. Our hope is that this new feature will prove to be a useful tool to our members while at the same time promoting and upholding fair housing laws and the tenets of diversity, equity, and inclusion within the real estate industry. So let's take a look at how it works. First, you're going to go to the input menu. For this demonstration, we're going to enter the MLS number under the Quick Modify and then press Edit. Next, choose the Fair Housing Remarks Check option. Watch as the system highlights potential fair housing violation wording in the Public and Agent Remarks section. A nice aspect is that you can edit the remarks within the feature without having to go back to the Remarks tab. It is important to understand that this feature is optional and it is at the member's discretion to decide whether to modify remarks or retain the original remark language. Important points to know about the Fair Housing Remarks Check feature. There is no actual authoritative fair housing list. The check functions by recognizing words describing people or preferences. It will not discern from legitimate terms such as blackout curtains or the Black Point neighborhood. Agents should continue to critically audit their remarks. And finally, this feature will not provide complete protection against a fair housing violation. Resources related to fair housing can be found on the NAR website, where there's an article and video outlining fair housing violations in advertising, or at the fairhaven.realtor for a 60-minute interactive training simulation where participants are introduced to real-life scenarios and are asked to decide the correct course of action.